FHA loan limits for 2018 have been announced by the Federal Housing Agency, and great news, they're going up for most of the country. Hello, I'm John Thomas with Primary Residential Mortgage, here to give you this update. So FHA announced, effective with new FHA case numbers on or after January 1st, 2018, you'll be eligible to use the new FHA loan limits. Now, FHA has a couple different ways they come up with the loan limit. It is by county or metropolitan statistical area, MSA for short. The minimum, there's a floor that they have set, which is the maximum FHA loan limit, and then there's a ceiling, which is the maximum FHA loan limit you can get across the board. So the minimum previously was $275,665. That's being increased to $294,515. So that's the new floor, which is the lowest maximum FHA loan limit you can have, no matter where you are. That's a 6.8 increase over 2017's maximum floor. And then the highest, the ceiling, is being increased as well from $636,150 to $679,650, which matches the new high cost area conventional loan limit. So they've matched that. So a high cost area for FHA maximum loan limit now matches the high cost area maximum for conventional of $679,650. So that's good news there. Now the county guidelines are for the forward mortgage program. There's also a reverse mortgage, which is also called the home equity conversion mortgage, or HECM for short. That maximum loan limit is set the same across the entire country, doesn't matter where you are, and that is $679,650. So that's the maximum loan limit for a reverse mortgage insured by FHA. Whether you're in Delaware, Maryland, California, Texas, doesn't matter, it's set. The forward mortgage program, it's based on the county or the MSA, and you have to look that up. So HUD stated that most areas across the country will see an increase in the loan limit. It's more than 3,000 counties across the country. In the blog, you can see the announcement directly from HUD. Now, how are the FHA loan limits set by county? Because they are different. For example, in Delaware, we have 3 counties, Newcastle, Kent, and Sussex. Newcastle County, the maximum loan limit is $385,250. Kent County, it's $294,515, which is the minimum, the floor. And then Sussex County is $316,250. So how does HUD calculate, for example, in Delaware, those 3 different counties? Well, it's a formula. The National Housing Act requires FHA to set single-family forward FHA loan limits at 115% of the median home price in that MSA or county. But it's also subject to a floor, which is the maximum it can be, which was just raised from $275,000 to $294,515. So, for example, in Kent County, Delaware, the 115% of the median home price is below $294,000, so it's just set it to $294,515. It gets the floor. But if we go to Newcastle County, they do a calculation of 115% of the median home price in Newcastle County, and that's how they come up with the $385,250. So they set a minimum, which is the floor, but they also set a maximum, a ceiling. So if you're in a high cost area like Washington, D.C., or parts of California, 115% could be $1 million. But you can't go to $1 million because there's the ceiling or the cap of $679,650. So that's what they basically do to calculate the FHA loan limit in each county and each MSA across the entire country. So some places it did stay the same because the median home price hasn't changed much, and they're not at the floor, so they won't see a change. But 3,000 counties across the country are going to see a change. Now, the minimum, how do they calculate that minimum? So the minimum national loan limit is set at 65% of the national conventional loan limit. So the conventional loan limit for 2018 is $453,100. So if you take 65% of that, you will come up with the $294,515, which is the new floor from FHA. Now you can look up an FHA loan limit in your area by going to a website that HUD has set up, where you can put in the state, the county, and the year to get the get the maximum loan limit for FHA. And the loan limit also increases if you change in units. So the ones I've been mentioning are all set for 1 unit properties. If you look at a 2-unit, it increases. If you go to a 3-unit, it increases even more. If you go to a 4-unit, it increases even more. So the maximum FHA loan limit is also dependent on whether you're 1, 2, 3, or 4 units. It increases for each unit that you add. Now in the blog post, we have the link to the FHA website, so you can look up a property in any state that you need. Now, if you have any questions about FHA loans or the loan limits for 2018 or qualifying, or if you'd like to get approved for an FHA loan with my team, we're very fast, very efficient. We'll go over everything with you. You can give us a call at 302-703-0727, or you can apply online, www.delawaremortgageloans.net. Look forward to seeing you guys on the next update.